This is my blob shooter game. My goal was to make a space shooter with power-ups, normal enemies, and bosses. To design this game, I used Piskel, Unity, and Microsoft Visual Studios. This code over here is how you take damage when an enemy runs into you. The first block of code inside the curly braces is how you take damage when a normal enemy runs into you. And the second block is the same, although the second block is for the boss when it hits you. My final boss would not die, so I had to assign an explosion to it. Also, my hamster dance kept launching in the wrong place, so I had to make a spawner. Demo.
Make sure to make your really high.
Yep. So basically what you do, you have to run around, you have to shoot these guys 2 times, and you get money every time, right up here, and you can buy specific power-ups. And each time you shoot somebody, you get money, and they go into explosion. You can also run into people, which takes away your health, but it destroys the enemy. And then there are bosses. I'm gonna try to get, and you can also just hold down. Oh wait, I think if you press 3, it heals you if you have enough money, and it basically just replenishes your health. I forgot how many. By how many? Okay.
There's a boss.
Yeah, that's the boss. He's very slow, but he doesn't have much, and he has a lot of health. Okay, this is very annoying. Okay, I died. Okay, so when you die, you basically get screen, and then home screen, then that's the home screen. And you can play again. Oh, and also there's a little power-up that's really, really, really funny. It's called the hamster dance. Basically just makes a lot of hamsters fall from the sky and it nukes the board. I will have to do something really quick. Okay.
Let's bring hamster.
Manager. Okay. Money. Yep. Okay, that's good. And then I'll just show you all the different powers. Okay. So basically, you can go around. If I press 1, a bunch of hamsters fall from the sky and they just nuke that board. They nuke the board. If I press 2, I can minigun, basically. And if I press if I press 3, I heal. Wait, I'm just gonna. And even when the hamster dance does the hamster dance still gives you money. That is something I would like. Yeah, nah, I don't want to fix that.
It's a fun game.
I know. It's very fun.
Okay. Awesome.
I just have any questions at my box. My box is gonna kill me. Okay.
Hey, does anyone have any questions for him?
Can you hamster dance?
Other questions?
Okay.
Perfect. All right, let's give him a round of applause.